Back to lesson number 7. Today the topic is my personality. Okay. So the aim of the lesson is to learn sentences to talk about your personality. So the first sentence could be I'm an introvert. Okay. Remember, I am will become am. So that's what we're doing. Am. Now let's remember that M and A, they will be connected. Is a consonant, is a vowel. Again, consonant and a vowel. So I'll say I'm an introvert. Introvert. Go down here. Okay. Introvert is a person who does not like to meet a lot of people, who likes to spend time all by himself or herself. Okay. These people are not sad. Okay. This is their personality. Or you can say I'm an extrovert. Again, I'm man extrovert. Go down here for emotions to say or to tell the other person that the sentence is finished. Okay. Extrovert, these people are the ones who would like to go out, meet people, have many friends, go to parties. Yeah, they like to travel a lot. I mean, anybody can like these things, but they are more into that. Okay. All right. So next one is you can say, I don't like to socialize a lot. A lot. Okay. So don't say t because of l and t. It's very difficult to say. So it becomes I don't. Okay. I don't like. Okay? I don't like to. Like to. Okay. I don't like to socialize a lot. A lot. So not strong. Okay. T. Not too. I don't like to socialize a lot. No. I don't like to socialize a lot. You have to remember that even at lower levels, we should try to speak like this to improve our English, okay? It is not only for higher levels, because this is the natural way of speaking, okay? Or you can say, I like to socialize a lot. Go down, like to, yeah, like to socialize a lot. What is socialize? Yeah, society. So meeting people, yeah, to have a lot of friends, go to parties, yeah, go shopping with people, yeah. All right. You can say when I have free time, go up. I like spending time on my hobbies. I have, it will become I've. So when I have free time, I like spending time on my hobbies. Spending like you use that time on your hobbies. Hobbies, something that you like to do when you have no office, no school, no university. So for example, running, drawing, okay, maybe cooking, all right. Or you can say, when I have free time, I like going out with my family or friends, okay. So here we go up again. I like going out, go out, yeah, g and will be combined, going out with my family or friends. Going out like go to the malls, parks, yeah. We don't like to be at home generally, okay. And then you can say, I think I'm sensitive and patient. We go a little high here because the sentence is not finished, okay. I think I'm sensitive and patient. Sensitive, like you understand people, okay, you feel their pain, or you know when people are happy, sad, okay. You love animals, nature, you know, all those things. Patient, you never get angry, you are always relaxed, calm. Or you can say, I think I'm enthusiastic and adventurous. Um, I'm enthusiastic, okay? I'm enthusiastic. I'm enthusiastic and adventurous. Enthusiastic, like excited, happy. Adventurous, like doing things that are a little dangerous. Okay, so like car racing is one of that, mountaineering is difficult as well, or like bungee jumping, then you can say always want some alone time. Alone means you don't want people, you don't hate them, but you just like to have time all by yourself because you like to do things. You feel better when you spend time doing things that you like without anybody else. Okay, always, okay, always want. So you cannot say want some, it will become want some, okay. I always want some alone time. Or you can say I always want to have fun with my family or friends. Want to, okay. uh, so only one t. All right, always want to have, okay, always want to have fun with my family or friends. Okay, so when you talk to people and they ask you this question, what kind of person are you? So if you're an introvert, you can say, I'm an introvert. I don't like to socialize a lot. When I have free time, I like spending time on my hobbies. I think I'm sensitive and patient. I always want some alone time. Okay? If you're an extrovert, you can say, I'm an extrovert. I like to socialize a lot. When I have free time, I like going out with my family or friends. I think I'm enthusiastic and adventurous. I always want to have fun with my family or friends. All right? Yes. So you can listen to me again and try to practice reading these two depending on your personality type. I just chose introvert and extrovert so you can use some of the words, okay? So keep practicing and I'll be back with another lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.